Welcome back to the Forensics Detailing channel. A quick tip today, guys. Whenever you're doing your snow foam pre-wash on your car, as well as just covering the exterior kind of the car, it is well worth taking the time to spray all of the snow foam inside those wheel arches and inside the wheels and inside the brake calipers, because these are the parts of the car that get really dirty and benefit the most from a soak of these kind of detergents. They're also the part of the car that are the hardest to reach with all the kind of brushes and stuff like that. So the more kind of pre-wash you can get in there when you're doing this on your car, the more you're going to keep it clean with less effort. So it's worth just putting a bit of extra product in there, letting it soak, and then when you are doing the kind of rinse down, getting the pressure washer into those arches and blasting out as much of that kind of road film and dirt from the arches and the inside barrel of the wheels. And this means hopefully that when you go to do the contact cleaning, there's less dirt in those arches anyway, so you get more free cleaning for very little effort and very little product. Just thought it was a worthwhile video to do this one. So thanks very much for watching, and take care, and I'll see you soon.